So from today, we will share the recording of each and every class after the class in the group. Okay? Am I audible to you guys? So guys, how many people solved the questions? All the assignments question?
You gave us like hi, Haider. Did you give like 4 questions, right? I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sure. I did it like yeah. Let me read out to you what I've got when you're ready.
Did you on out your laptop or computer or in
Sorry.
pen papers?
No, I just did it on like notepad.
Only on notepad you solved it. So can you please share your screen?
Okay, one moment. Where is the option here to share the screen in here and your
It's
teams
an
in?
upward arrow in the bottom, upward arrow.
Uh, or this maybe. Camera. So when I click on this little arrow facing up, right? So it's giving me like a setting option.
No, no, yeah, entire screen. Select entire screen. Brother.
Can you see my screen now? I don't know. Turn off the light.
No, it is
You want
not
to turn
visible.
on the camera here or what?
No, just it's an upward arrow. It's going is giving an option to you. Present now.
Hmm.
Right side of the emojis.
It says the camera is blocked. I don't know because I have the okay. Let me read out to you what I see. When I click on this arrow, right? It says permission needed, right?
Yeah,
Right?
you will have to select the entire screen.
It doesn't give me the option to select the entire screen. When I clicked on that, let me send you the screenshot of what I see here.
Yeah.
The, uh,
Sending in chat box or where?
yeah, I'm sending on the chat. One moment.
Ravi Shankar, did you solve the questions?
Why is it like I'm
No, sir.
trying to paste this? It's not even pasting in the chat. If something is blocking in the this Google Meet,
Nothing. Okay, no issue.
I can
So,
send a message right
yeah,
here. Let me just send this one moment. If I
but you
can send.
cannot share, I think, the screenshot because there is no option to add any file. Eh, You can send only the messages.
Okay, this is what I got on the notepad. If you can see,
Yeah, okay, good. So the first question, block size.
why there is no option here?
No, Abdul, block size will be 256 minus 192. It will be 64. And total number of networks will be 2 to the power 6.
First, we are taking the network bits out, right? 2 to the power of 2 bits, right? Which is 4, block size of the 4. Then the left bits, which is the host bit, which is 2 to the power of 6, which is 64 minus 2, which is 62 for each network, right?
No, for the block size, it will be not the 2 to the power 6. It will be the last value of the octet in which 1%
No, network
256
size is 4.
to
Network size
256.
is 4. For each network, you will be having like 62 IP addresses, 62 hosts you can assign, right? 62 for each network. If you see on my first question in the last line,
Yeah, but you didn't give the block size.
block size. Sorry, I think it's a, it pasted in the in the last create size is 4. It's like block size is 4. Is it not the right? Is it not right? 2 to the power of 4, the 4 bits, right?
1 minute, let me check all the questions. Lakshman,
Yes, sir.
are you seeing the Abdul's message in the chat?
Uh, Wait, sir. No messages.
Subhajit, you are joining from your mobile and laptop?
You
Yes,
are
yes,
asking me.
sir.
From both?
One for audio and one for video.
Why?
Because my desktop mic is not working, so I connected with my phone for audio.
Okay. Lakshman, what is wrong with the second one?
Yes, sir. I'll check.
Subhajit,
Yes, sir.
what is wrong with the third one?
Let me check.
Ravi Shankar,
Sir,
yeah,
I think second one is correct.
no,
The 24 subnet mask only. Sir, you are asking to check 24 subnet mask. 168.171.1.1
yes,
slash
exactly,
24.
exactly.
For the third one, the network is 2 to the power 22. The subnet mask will be 255.255.255.252,
Yes.
and the block size will be 4, and the required hosts per subnet, right?
No, third one is the will
It's
be the number of networks.
number of it's 2 to the power 4 minus 2.
I think we subtract the when you're calculating the host bits, right? That's when you have to subtract, right? But when you're calculating the network bit, you don't need to subtract, right?
Yeah, yeah. You are absolutely right. For the calculating the network, there is no need of subtraction. Just you need
Yes,
to
it
put
will be
2
2
to
to
the
the power
power.
22.
It will be
Sir,
yes.
in second problem, number of networks, when we minus, it comes 0. After 2 power 0, the value will be 1. It's right now.
From which class it is the IP address 168.
Oh, yes.
It's a class
Oh,
B
sir.
What is the CIDR value of the class B default CIDR value?
16. So this is where I'm having the question. Yeah, 16.
That
Right.
is why I'm asking.
Okay. All right. So it's this is where I was getting stuck. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try with this using this block size. So should we be just calculating like looking at the class, or should we be like following the CIDR value when we are calculating this?
You will have to check the value which is given in the uh, problem and what is the default CIDR value, and you will have to subtract both value. Okay, suppose that let's suppose I am giving here only 16, then
Yeah.
the CIDR value will be 16. Default CIDR value for the class B network will be 16 minus the given value. Sorry, the given value minus CIDR default value. It will be 16 minus 16 and it will be 0. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
So 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 at that time. But here it is given 24 slash 24. So
Okay.
what will be the values? 24 minus 16, the value of n,
8, 8.
8.
Okay.
And then 2 to the power 8 is equal to number of network.
So 2 to the power of a double, you can double that. 128, 128, 255, right? 256?
256, yes.
Yeah, 256, yeah.
Number of network.
So we have to look for the class as well. Okay.
Yes. Subhajit,
Yes, sir.
what is the wrong with the last one?
This is also fall under the class A. So 16, 20,
Uh,
16.
just let
Yeah.
me ask with the Subhajit.
The last one, uh, the subnet mask will be 255.255.240.0,
Yes,
and the block size will be 16,
yes.
and number
Number of
of
network.
requests subnet is 2 to the power 12, and the host 2 to the power 16 minus 2,
I'm asking about number of network.
2 to the power 12.
How you are getting 2 to the power 12?
Sir, actually, the question is class
One minute.
28
Let me
only.
ask to only Subhajit. Nobody will hit that.
Because the IP address belongs from class A,
Yes,
and the CIDR value is 28.
yes.
Oh, it's 2 to the power 20. It will be
Yeah,
2 to
Lakshman,
the power
you were
20.
saying something.
Yes, sir. I just asked the question is correct. Slash 28.
It's slash 20. It's to slash 28.
Because he said the answer wrong, so I checked the question one more time whether it is slash 28 or not.
So, okay. So, what will be the answer for the number of network?
2 to the power 20.
No, no, I'm asking you the Lakshman.
28 minus 8.
Yes, sir. 2 to the power 20.
Abdul, what will be the answer?
Well, if you the last one, right? Slash
Last
28.
one. Yes, yes.
Um, so 16, 28 minus 16, which is 8. 2 to the power of 8, which is a network bit, and the rest 2 to the power of 24, which is gonna go for the house bit. You can minus 2, if I'm right. If I'm not right. If I'm right. 2 to the power of 24, because we are looking at the class A, right? So you will be having like um, 24, 24, 24.
What is
So
the default CIDR value of this class A?
class A should be 8 slash 8.
Slash 8.
Yeah,
Okay. So, what is given in the question here?
slash 28.
So, how you are calculating 24? Please let me know.
28, sorry, yeah, 20, sorry. Yeah, so 28 minus 8. So it should be 20. 2 to the power of 20, then minus 2 with the first bits.
Okay, you guys are still confused. Lakshman, tell me the for
Yes,
the
sir.
third one.
Third one. Okay, sir. Subnet mask third one 255.255.255.252. Block size will be 4. Number of networks is equal to 22.
Number of network will be
22.
only 22.
2 power 22.
Okay, no issue. Let me revise this topic again because except Lakshman, nobody is getting right. So yesterday we discussed about 3 points. So everyone is right now clear for the subnet mask, how to calculate the subnet mask. Am I right? Gaurav?
Yes, yes.
first point is that is
Block size.
subnet mask. Second one is second one is block size.
Block size.
Third one
Third
is
one is number of network.
fourth one is
Number of
Number of
hosts.
network.
number of host. You can calculate all the number of hosts or you can calculate the number of hosts per network. Okay, so I think you guys are clear about the subnet
It's
mask.
a little
Everyone,
confusing. Block
yeah,
and the network size.
yeah, go ahead, Abdul. Ask me. Ask. Abdul, you were asking something.
Yeah, sorry, I was asking about the block size. Can you explain a little about this block size and the number of networks?
Okay, no issue.
This one is like a
I'm
little
going to.
confusing.
I'm going to. Don't worry. Uh, Everyone is clear about the subnet mask. Is there any
Yes.
requirement to revise it? Or directly we
No.
can switch to the block size. Please reply. Give me a reply here.
Yes, sir, no problem.
So I'm taking a question. It is 192.168.10.0/25. So what will be the subnet mask?
255.255 dot
255.255
Yeah, Abdul,
255 dot
Abdul, you can give me the reply for the subnet mask.
yeah 255.255 dot 128.
Block size.
What is the formula of the block size? 256
Minus 128.
Subnet mask
minus
of subnet value,
value
whereas
of
last number.
the
Last number.
last octet in which one is present.
So meaning the first bit, which is the one which is which we turning on, right?
Yes.
First bit.
What does it mean? Let me explain it also here. So what will be the value of this octet if I am converting it in binary? One, 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 one,
Could be one.
one, one. All will be one. Is it
Yeah.
clear for you, Abdul? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
One, 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 one. Okay? All the bits will be on. And if it is the last value in the subnet mask is 128, only one bit will be on.
Correct. Yeah.
Rest of them will be off. Okay? So the value of the last octet in which one is present, it will be 128. What is the decimal value of this octet? 128.
128.
128.
It is clear for you, Abdul?
Yeah.
Gaurav,
Yes.
Subhajit, Venkat.
Yes, sir, clear.
So 256 minus 128. equal to
128.
128. Is it clear for everyone how to calculate the block size?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the next thing we will calculate
Number of
number of
networks.
network. So the
25
number of
minus
network will be CIDR value.
25 minus 16.
So let me give you the formula. CIDR value as per question minus default CIDR value.
30 minus 16.
13 minus 16. Who
No?
is speaking?
25 minus 25, sorry. 25.
Default CIDR value equal to question 25
5 minus 16.
minus
24, is it?
it is class C network.
Yes, 24.
Yeah, exactly. Who was saying?
Yeah, me, sorry. 24.
And this will be 2 to the power
21.
so total number of network will be 2
2.
and the last one number of hosts per network.
Block size minus 2.
Oh, okay. The block size is
No,
basically the host.
1 minute. Is it clear for everyone how to calculate number of network? Then I will move on
Yes,
for
yes.
the number of hosts.
Understand.
Anyone who has doubt, please ask to me. Otherwise, tomorrow I will not repeat it.
So like third your internet network and the fourth point also was
Number
number
of
of
hosts.
network. Like
Number of hosts.
All to you.
okay,
It
Yeah,
will
because
be
it's
number
confusing,
of
you know,
hosts.
when you say like number of hosts, that make more sense.
Yeah, number of hosts. Anybody who has a small doubt can ask to me. No one has the doubt?
no sir, at my end.
Venkat, Gaurav, Ravi Shankar is not replying.
No
No,
doubt.
sir. No, no doubt.
Yeah.
Okay. So the number of hosts will be 2 to the power 32 minus the IDR value in the question minus 2. So 2 to the power 32 minus what is the CIDR value? 25 minus 2. So 2 to the power 7 minus 2. It will be 126.
Sorry, can you explain this? Where we are getting this 32 from?
It's
2 to the power?
default. It's default formula 2 to the power 32 because you know that total number of bits in a IP address will be
Yeah,
32.
32.
Here we can use block size minus 2 also, correct?
No, no, that
Hmm.
will be not
Okay.
correct for the every scenario. Okay, this will be correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Kubaji,
Okay.
yesterday you were telling something.
Yes, sir. I'm telling that yesterday.
Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For the next problem, next problem 190 dot. Tell me the numbers, guys. I have to think every time. So what will be the subnet mask? 1 minute. Ravi Shankar, what will be the subnet mask? Ravi Shankar, are you there? No. Gaurav,
Sir, 25, 255.255.192.0, sir. Subnet mask.
Gaurav, what will be the
Hmm.
block size?
Block size 256 minus 192.
What will be the answer?
64.
Abdul, what will be the number of network?
So we are in the class C. So
Check the IP address. Is it a class B or class C IP address?
what is it? Is it 190?
190.
Yeah, that should fall under class C, right? Class C, yeah. So 18 number of network.
Class B.
Venkat, what will be the number of network?
2 power 2. 4.
Subhaji, what will be the number of
Yes,
bits
sir.
or network?
2 to the power 14 minus 2.
So Abdul, you are getting stuck on number of to calculate the
Yeah,
number of network. Okay, let
yeah.
me explain it again. Okay, so okay, I am explaining it with a very small question. 10.1.1.1/10. So Abdul, reply me. What will be the subnet mask?
255 dot 192.0.0.
Let me check. Someone try to add in. what is happening. Let me open it then. Okay, what was the question? I think my paint is hanging right now. Application is hanging. 10 dot 1 dot 1 dot 1 slash 10. Am I correct? So, Abdul, give me the reply. What will be the subnet mask?
The subnet is going to be 255 dot 192 dot 0
Yes.
dot 0.
And what will be the
Um,
block size?
it's going to be 64.
So, you have to now calculate the number of network and you are getting stuck here. Am I right?
Yeah, I know because the only we are taking only like a 2 bits out, right, from the host bits.
Yes.
So you're left with like 6 bits, right? So you will be calculating 2 to the power of 6, which is
No, no. Let me
4,
explain to you. Let me explain.
4 bits.
So, in the subnet mask, in first octet, all the bits are on. Am I
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
In the subnet mask, how many bits are on? In
The
second
network
octet.
bit. In the second octet, the 2 bits are on from the network. And the rest are
Remaining,
off.
and in third octet,
So all are off. 0, 0, 0. They're all off.
in the last octet. So,
Off.
what is the formula? CIDR value given in problem minus default CIDR value of class.
For the class A, you're saying, right? Which is 8/8.
So it will be, what is the CIDR
minus
value, Abdul, as per the
10
formula?
minus
10.
And what is the default CIDR value of the class?
Class A is 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2.
పాప పడుకోంది
So 2 to the power, this will always come into the under the 2 to the power. So it will be the 2 to the power CIDR value as per problem minus default CIDR value of the class. So here it will be 2 to the power 2 and will equal to 4. Is it clear for you?
So these are the network, right? This many network that we can get, right?
Yeah, number of networks you can
Yeah,
tweak from this IP address. Okay.
4 networks. Okay.
Yeah. Is it clear?
Yeah, I got that point. But what about the host bits? So the
Okay, number
if you
of
see,
hosts.
yeah, host bits, right? If you calculate that, we are still left with how many host bits are? 6, 8, 8, which is 16. 16 plus 6, which is uh, 22, right? So 2 to the power of 22. This is how we are calculating the host bits. Is that right?
So the host bit will be 2 to the power 32 minus CIDR value as per question. minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 32 minus 10 minus 2, 2 to the power.
Yeah, this is, I mean it's like more difficult than, whatever the left out. If you see the host bits, you can just calculate easily, right? It is more easier if you calculate the rest of the host bit which is off. If you see in the second
Yeah,
octet,
yeah,
how many,
yeah.
6,
It
8,
it will come the same answer. The answer will be the same.
yeah, yeah. Because rather
You
than, go to
yeah,
the long
you
road
will
to do
have
the
to write entire. You will have to write the entire subnet mask in the form of zero and ones. Okay, then you will able to only able to understand it. How many bits are off, and without writing it, you can directly calculate it.
okay.
You are absolutely correct. What you are saying, I am getting your point, and you are correct. You are saying that these 22 bits are off, and we can directly put 2 to the power 22 minus 2.
Right.
Exactly, you are saying?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah. So you will have to write this one,
Okay.
and without, if you don't want to write it, you can calculate it by this formula.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we go a little detail on this one? Let's say if we calculated the class A, right? Can you calculate the IP address from this, from which octet do we have to like write the IPs? Because I know, like, we are dividing the four networks, right? We are
Yeah,
dividing
yeah.
this two to the,
After once you will get it, the next topic is you are asking.
okay, okay. Is that the next? Okay, got
Yeah,
it. Sorry.
it's the next topic.
All right, got it.
So first of all, at least you have an idea how to divide it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. The next topic. Uh, but before moving the next topic, I want to make sure that you can easily solve all the problem. So I'm writing here a question. Let
Yes,
me give you
because
the
in
question.
exam
Yes.
we have like 30 seconds to calculate all of this answer.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, you have to solve all these questions. You will have to calculate all four. And I am giving all the problems only from the class C, the most easiest one. Slash 26 it is, huh? Can you guys give me the answer within 5 minutes? I am giving you the 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
Ravi Shankar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Venkat, Gaurav,
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah. Ravi Shankar, you have to solve the first question. You have to give the answer of the first question. Did you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am giving 3 more minutes to you guys. Someone has not muted himself. Guys, please mute yourself. So, Ravi Shankar, what will be the answer of the first question?
Sir, subnet mask is 255.255.255.240. Block size is 16, and number of network is 16, sir. Hello.
Number of network?
16, sir.
Okay. And number of hosts per network?
Number of hosts is calculating, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Number of valid hosts per network.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, for the second one.
For second one, IP address 255.255.255.252.
IP address?
No, no, no. Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes, 255.255.255.252.
Is it IP address?
No,
Then what is it? It is subnet mask.
yes, yes.
Are you guys are
And
sleeping?
no, no, no. Actually, I do yesterday night shift.
Okay. So
And
255.255?
block size is 256 minus 252.
No, no. Reply me
Both
first for the
255.255.255.252.
block size.
Block size 4, 256 minus 252.
Block size will be.
4.
Someone has not muted himself. Please mute yourself. And what will be the network? Number of network.
Number of 1 minute, 1 minute. Right. 6 is equal 64.
And what will be the number of hosts per network? Valid hosts per network.
2.
Okay. Mute yourself.
Hello?
Yeah. Ravi Shankar, what is the number of valid hosts per network for the first question? This is the third
Sir,
day of
14,
subnetting.
sir. Number of hosts is 14.
Valid hosts per network. 14 you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Venkat,
14, sir.
what will be the answer for the third one? Abdul, be ready for the last one.
Third one, like subnet mask will be 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 0.
Okay.
Yeah, here like a black size will be 1.
Okay.
And like number of networks like 2 power 0 is equal to like 1. One network will be there.
Okay.
Number of hosts like 2 power 0 minus 2.
2 power
Maybe
0 minus 2.
no, like I think no values, like you are getting like minus 1 here, but
Minus 1?
I don't think.
It is quite simple. 2 to the power 8 minus 2.
uh, yeah, 2 power 32 minus 24. Yeah, 2
What will be the
power
answer?
1 second, 24 like 32, 6 plus 8, 2 power 8 minus 2.
Abdul, what will be the answer for the last one?
The subnet is 255.255.255.192, and with the block size of IP, this is IP address C, so 2 to the power of 2, which is 4 block size, and 2 to the power of 6, which is the valid host.
No. What will be the block size?
Um, 64 or
Number of network?
4.
Okay. Number of valid hosts per network?
Which is 64.
Number of valid hosts per network? 64 minus 2.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, minus 2, sorry. Yeah, 62. Subtracting,
So
yeah.
the next question with you, Subhajit.
Yes, sir.
Give me the answer for this question.
Okay. The subnet mask will be 255.255.255.240, and block size will be 16, and
Block size
number
will
of
be
network will be 2 to the power 4, and valid host is uh, 2 to the power 28 to 4 minus 2, 2 to the power 4 minus 2.
2 to the power 4 minus 2. What will be the value?
I think 14.
Lakshman,
Your
the last
answer?
question with you.
Yes, sir.
The question is, tell me the answer.
Yes, sir. Subnet mask, sir. Can subnet mask 255.255 dot. Sir, 1 minute, sir. It's a 16. It's a 24. 252. Uh, 255.255.255.240. Wait. 252.
Are you sleeping?
Wait, sir. I am in tension. Wait.
248. No?
Yes. What will be the block size?
Uh, Sir, please give me some time.
Okay.
I got stuck. Sir, subnet mass I will tell. Wait. Sir, 248. Oh, he told. Okay, block size will be 256 minus 248.
256 minus
8. 8. Block size value will be 8.
number of network.
Number of network, it is class C, so it will be 29 minus 24 will be 5. 2 power 5.
Number of valid hosts per network.
Uh, okay, 29, 30, 31, 32. 2 power 3 minus 2.
Okay. So, do you guys want more practice on this topic, or it is enough for you?
Enough.
Because what I am saying, most of the guys are not 100% clear. Please reply, because on Monday I will take a test.
Sir, like I was clear, like how to how many votes in a network? Like you are getting two networks, right? What are those two networks?
Yeah, I will tell you the what will be the two networks. But first of all, you can at least you can calculate it. Then I will move on it. Ravi Shankar, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gaurav,
Yes, clear from my side.
Venkat, I think think due to network fluctuation, call got disconnected. Except Venkat, everyone is here. Okay, guys. So now we are going on a short break, and we will return after 5 minutes. After that, we will make sure today by practicing more questions so that these 4 points should be clear to everyone. Okay, so that we can go ahead from tomorrow. Anyone has any doubt right now, he can ask to me before going on break. Yeah, someone asking. Who were asking about number of hosts?
Venkat brother asked, but he left. But he is not there.
Yeah, Lakshman, can you personally message him?
Sir,
Ask
what?
him to us.
Oh, sorry, sir. What do you have said? Could you please repeat?
Yeah, please message him to join the call.
Okay, sir.
Abdul, is it clear for you?
Yes, only I'll just like sometimes it's like getting like stuck on the block size only.
Due to less practice,
Only that
you
just to
will
clear.
have to at least solve 50 to 60 questions to get the confidence. Otherwise, it may be possible at the time of the interview you will get a step. That is
Yeah.
why I am trying to solve more and more problems in the classroom only.
Yes, sir. It's true. When you asked one by one, I got stuck. Even though I know.
Can you please repeat, Lakshman?
Yes, sir. When you point someone like me, I got stuck because I feel tense when you ask solo. So he
Yeah,
asked me question.
I think you were not able to at least calculate the subnet mask. And yesterday you were replying that in at your best form.
Yes, sir. But when you solely ping me, I got stuck.
Okay, so that is why I am saying to make a habit to download the subnetting app from the Google Play Store. There are a lot of questions and solve it every day. Used to solve 4 to 5 questions within 10 days. You will get the confidence. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Okay. So we have covered right now for class C subnetting, and after the break we will start to cover the class B and class A subnetting. Indeed.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
So everyone has come here. Abdul, are you there?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Okay. So the next point will be, you were asking the Abdul. I told you it's the next point we are going to discuss right now. That is, the question is 200.200.1.0/26. What will be the subnet mask?
255.255.192.
What will be the block size?
So you subscribe 256 minus 192, right? Which is 64, the block size.
Number of network?
Then the number of network is 2 to the power of, sorry, let's see. And so 2 to the 226 minus 24, which is 2, 2 to the power of 2, which is 4,
Number of
right?
valid host per network?
It be 2 to the power of 6, which is 64 valid hosts.
Again, repeat. Number of valid hosts per network.
2 to the power of 6, which is 64, and minus 2, which is 62.
So you were asking how we will write the IP addresses.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah. So it's 200.200.1.0.
Right.
In this 26 value fall in which octet? Fourth octet.
Uh, yeah, it should be in the fourth.
Fourth octet. So what is
Mm-hmm.
the block size? 64.
4.
So this one is the dot zero. Sorry, 1 minute. It will be the network ID of first network, and the next will be 200.200.1.1. What is the block size? 64.
Right.
Exactly. So in this network, how many total number of IPs? 64.
64. 62. 64, but you don't calculate the first, the network ID and the broadcast,
Broadcast
right?
ID. Exactly. 200.1.2. Similarly, it will goes up to 200.200.1.63. This will be the from first network. Okay. How many number
Okay.
of networks? 4. So the next
4.
network will be
The next
200.
network is going to start from 64.
1.64, and it will go up to 65.66. Are you guys are getting this point? I'm skipping right now here.
And we're
Let
going
me
to
write.
go all the way in the 4 blocks up to 254, is it? Right? The maximum.
1.127, because maximum how many? What is the block size? 64 is the block size. So 64 to 127 will be the 64 IP addresses.
Yes.
So first will be the network ID, and last one will be the
Host
broadcast
ID.
ID.
Just make sure. Mm,
Is it clear for everyone? Subhajit, you were also asking. Venkat,
Yes.
Yes, sir, clear.
okay. So the next one will be, it is 200.200.1.128 to 190, 129, 130 to 191. What will be the network ID? It will be the network ID, and it will be the broadcast ID.
idea.
And the last one will be 200 dot 200 dot 1 dot 64, sorry, dot 192 to 255.
4, 5 or
Okay, is it
2,
clear
3,
for
4.
everyone how we will write the IP addresses? So these four are the networks. We calculated number of networks. So first network will be this one, second network will be this one, third network will be this one, and the last one will be this one. So number of valid hosts per network. Here, how many hosts are they here? Total 0 to 63, 64. 64 minus 2. First will be the network ID and last one will be the broadcast ID. 62. Okay. And in the next 60, it will start from the 64 to 127. Is it clear for everyone? Should I move to the next question?
Yeah.
Sir, one more time, please.
Okay. So, where are you getting stuck, Lakshman?
From the second subnet.
From the second subnet. So, in the first subnet, what is the block size? 64 is the block size. So, it will
Yes.
start from 0 to 63. 0 to 63, how many numbers?
64.
64.
64. So, here 64 numbers will come, and first one will be the network ID and last one will be the broadcast ID. So in the next network we will start from 64. Okay, because uh, from 0 to 63 it will enter the first network. So second network will start from the 64 to up to 127.
7.
How many total number of IP addresses? 64. Okay.
So we are adding up like 64, 64, right? With the block size.
Yeah.
Whatever that we are block size, we are adding up.
Yeah. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't worry. Next question. What should I take for the next question? You guys are not helping me for the question.
I mean, for the class A and class B, it's like a lot to calculate.
Yeah,
If
you
we
will
take
have to calculate for the class. 1 minute. Venkat is asking to join this class. Just a minute.
Sir, can I tell some questions
Yeah, you can tell.
from class A or B, sir?
First class C. Now we are covering class C, then we will come to the class B, then we will come to the class 1. Okay. My screen is visible for you guys?
Yes, sir.
One brother is waiting to join.
Yeah, I think Venkat was there.
Vamsi is there, someone. He pinged in WhatsApp group.
He already
Yeah,
here.
because,
He
uh,
joined.
I was done like 8:45. Like no one is admitted. Like just now admitted.
Why it is hanging? Anybody has any idea? Why it is not opening? Paint. I want to continue in the same way. Same way. Let me check after this class. It is only happening today. Yeah. Who were saying? What will be the next question? Tell me.
192.165
165
dot 222.25
dot
slash
220
27
slash 27. So what will be the subnet mask? Gaurav, you were saying?
255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 1 minute. One, 1 minute. 64 plus 224.
224.
3. Okay, that's all.
Mute yourself.
Subnet mask. Okay.
Venkat, what will be the block size?
No, it is 224.
What will be the block size?
32.
Number of network. Subhajit,
Yes, sir.
number of networks.
It's 2 to the power 3.
Ravi Shankar, number of valid host per network.
32 minus 2, 30.
Ravi Shankar,
I calculated, sir.
who is not muting himself?
Oh, sorry.
All are muted. Only up. Okay, okay.
Noise is from your side, Gaurav. Subhajit, number of valid hosts per network. What
Yes.
will be the value?
Number of valid hosts, it's 2 to the power 5 minus 2, 30.
Okay. So now we have to write the ranges of the IP addresses. So we are seeing the changes in the last octet because it is showing, it means 27 value will come under which octet?
Last update.
Last octet. So changes will be only in the last octet. And block size, what is the block size? 32. Okay. So 192.165.222.0 and The last IP address, what is the block size? 32.
32.
So 0 to 192.165.222. What will be the last IP of
Dot
this
31.
net?
31.
32.
31. 31.
31.
Yeah, 31,
Is
31.
it clear for everyone? How it is coming 31? Total number of IP
Yes, sir.
address will be 32. So 0 to 31 total number of IP addresses 32. This will be the first network.
1 minute, one
Uh,
minute. Sir. Why zero is coming like 222 after zero?
0. So we have to
Uh,
divide this network into the parts. So we will divide start from 0. 0 to
okay, okay.
256 is total range. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Okay, okay,
And
okay.
you cannot assign this network ID because this should be going to the routers, I think, right?
It will be the network ID.
Yeah.
Yes. And it will be the broadcast ID. So the number of valid hosts in between of them. Is it clear for everyone? Anyone has doubt?
no, sir.
Yes.
Sir, for all problems, we need to start only from zero.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. The next will be 192.165.222.32, and for this block, for this network, dot 63. Is it clear for everyone? Abdul, is it clear for
Yes, sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, clear?
Pretty good.
Yes, yes.
Subhajit, clear? Venkat?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, clear.
Yeah, for the next network, it will start from, we
64.
will we cannot make any changes in these three octet because it's given here 27. So 27 will come under the last octet only. So 64.
64 to 94, right? That can go to up to 94 or 93. What?
94.
93.
95.
Up to 95. Is it clear for everyone? So the next network will
Yes, sir.
be,
Yes, sir.
what will be the last one? Abdul.
Start from the 95.
Yes.
At
96,
30.
96, 96. It will start from 96.
Yeah, 96 bit. So it's gonna go all the way to 126. So the last IP should be broadcast 126. Should be 125, right?
127. Where are you not calculating properly? I deliberately did this mistake.
Deliberately.
Yes, because
If you carry,
I wanted to check that everyone is paying
Sir,
attention
sir,
here or
one
not.
minute. 1 minute. I have doubt.
Yes.
Why here 95, 127 like this coming? How to calculate?
yeah,
Venkat, you are asking or Gaurav?
Me,
Yeah,
me, me.
Gaurav.
Gaurav is asking. Okay,
Uh,
so we have the block range of 32, block size of 32.
32.
Uh,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
so
Hmm.
and we can change the values only in the last octet because it is 27 value will come under the last octet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Okay.
total number of IP addresses will be 0 to 31 will be 32. 0 to
Okay.
30, in which first IP address will be the network ID and last IP address will be the host ID,
Host.
and
Okay.
remaining 30 IP addresses will be the valid host per network, as we have already calculated it. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
got it? Is it clear?
Yes. Got it. Clear.
So for the
For
next,
all times, for any problem, we calculate only zero onwards, right?
yeah, from zero. You will have to start from
Oh,
zero.
okay. Now clear, bro. Thanks.
So here 192, 165, 222.126. Is it right?
Yes.
Who is saying yes? Who is the great
28.
great personality who's saying yes?
128.
It should be 128. What will be the last value?
160, right?
9. 159.
What will be the next?
192 dot 165 dot 222 dot 160.
60.
Last one will be
190. 191. 192. 92 dot 16. 165 dot
what will be the value?
19.
Lakshman.
19.
Lakshman, tell me.
31.
Gaurav, mute yourself.
192. 192.
Gaurav, mute yourself. Noise are coming from your background.
255. Last.
What will be the last value?
255.
255. Where are you?
No. Right.
Abdul,
Sorry, sir. Last is
223,
added.
sir.
Okay, okay. Sorry. I mentioned it 64. Wait, sir. 192 plus 30, 12, 223.
and the last one will be the 192.165 222 dot Venkat. What will be the value here?
Uh, Here, like 224, 224.
253.
255. Where are you, guy?
257. The broadcast then.
Yeah, like 222 plus 32, 255.
So now I have completed it. So are you seeing this IP address was given in the question? Am I right? Who gave this question?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So is this 30 block size, the valid host, or is it 30 IP addresses like one, two,
30
three, 4?
IP addresses, 30 valid IP addresses,
Valid
and
addresses.
32 is the block size.
Yeah, we can assign 30 IP addresses to the host, right?
Yes,
Valid host.
yes. Is it clear for everyone?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Ask,
sir.
ask.
Sir, one minute. Sir, here question 225, but 226 to something I have given 255. These remaining are wastage, correct?
You can
No,
maximum, you can
no,
go
no,
up to 255. You cannot go more than that.
no. It's not
My
going
question is,
wastage.
uh, we, we need only 225 IP address, but 226, 277, like it will go. So that from 226 to 255 will not be in use.
Yeah, it
It
will
will
be
be
possible
waste.
if you don't have the requirement. The IP addresses will be in the wastage.
Okay.
Will be in the
Because in
wastage.
question only 225
Yeah,
is given. So
yeah.
yeah.
So you are seeing that the IP address is coming under the last network. So total number of network 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Here we have already calculated total number of network. 2 to the power 3 is equal to
8.
so here what will be the block size? 0 to 31 will be 32 will be the block size. Number of validos per network will be 30. We have already calculated it. But we are seeing here first will be the broadcast network ID and last will be the broadcast ID. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Abdul,
Sir.
do you have any question?
Ah,
Any confusion?
I'm good, I think.
You're good. Venkat, Subhajit,
Yeah.
Gaurav,
Yes,
It's
sir.
Ravishankar.
clear.
Yeah.
I'm good as
Okay, sir.
concept.
Okay, so I am giving the next question to you guys. You will have to solve it. Write down 223.79.79.0/30. Solve it at a priority. After that, we will discuss class B subnetting after this question. Once you solved and write down each and every network, then please let me know immediately. And I am giving maximum 2 minutes to you guys. It's 9:12 as per IST. You will have to submit it by 9:40 or 9:15. Subhajit, did you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abdul, Lakshman,
Yes, sir. But it's going on network size.
Okay, Subhajit, tell me the answer. You will tell me the answers.
Yes, sir. The subnet mask will be 255.255.255.252, and
1 minute,
the
1 minute.
required subnet is okay.
255 dot.
Dot 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 252.
Okay.
Subnet mask is it's subnet mask, and the required subnet is 2 to the power 6
Block size.
blocks. Block size is 4, and
Number
the
of
number
network.
of valid host
Number of network.
it's 2.
Number of
Number of
network.
network 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6, and number of valid host is 2 to the power 2 minus 2, that's 2. And the IP addresses, the network ID is 223.79.79.0. Fast IP will be
1 minute. 1 minute.
223.
1 minute.
Okay.
Yes. What will be the number of valid hosts per network?
2 to the power 2 minus 2, that is 2.
Okay. What will be the first IP address?
Fast IP address 223.79.79.1, that is IP address, and the network ID will be 0.
The range
The
will be.
last IP address will be dot 2, and the broadcast IP is dot 3.
Sir,
Yes, Lakshman.
number of networks is equal to like going 64. Then we can divide 64 network, correct?
Yes. Abdul, Ravi
Yes.
Shankar, have you solved it?
So
Yes, sir.
just as the I
So is
got
this right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Abdul, let me
yeah
know.
the I got the network ID about this the starting point about this ending this three. So 2 to the power of 2 minus 2, which is 2, right?
Yes.
So we are calculating why we are going up to 3. We are starting from the network ID is 0, right?
Yes. And the broadcast ID will be 3. Broadcast ID will be 3. And
Okay.
Abdul
remaining
Language
one,
brother.
will be special.
remaining one, 1 and 2 will be the valid host.
Yeah, valid horse. Yeah, 1 2. Yeah.
Yeah. A network always have its network ID and broadcast ID. Are you getting my points? And valid host.
I thought we should be just stopping at like a 2 up to 2. We
No,
are
no.
starting.
We will have to stop on only on the broadcast ID.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So what will
Yeah.
be the next? Abdul.
223 dot
1 minute.
223
I'm asking from Abdul.
223.79.79.3. We should be starting from 4. So we
Okay.
can add is 223.79.79.7.
Okay. Gaurav, what will be the
yes
next?
223 dot 223 dot 279 dot 79.8 and 223 dot 79.79 dot
What will be the
11
next one?
11
Venkat.
Yeah.
What will be the next?
Yeah. Next will be 223.79.79.12. and 15 up to 15.
Ravi Shankar,
So 223.79.79 50 16
okay.
223.79 dot
What will be the last one? You guys are simply not able to calculate it. It's just class first student
80.
can add. You will have to add three more IP addresses. It will be 19. You are getting confused. Lakshman,
Yes, sir. 223.79.79.20.
okay. What will be the last one?
223.79.79.23.
Now is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anyone who has doubt? Because I asked to the everyone. Okay. So we are going to the class B subnetting. Can we extend today's class by 10 minutes only? You guys have the time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question is here 172.16.0.0/17. So what will be the subnet mask?
255.255.
255.255.255. Hey, no, no.
Just two
1 minute. Abdul, you will have reply. Okay.
255 dot
Okay.
128
Okay.
dot 0.
Lakshman, what will be the block size?
Yes, sir. Oh, 256 minus 128. 128.
Venkat, what will be the number of networks?
Number of networks. 24, 4, 0, 3, 7. 2 power 7. Which is equal 128.
Number of network I am asking. How you are calculating?
CIDR as per requirement.
Yes.
Here 172 will be like pass under class C. Oh, no, sorry.
172.
It class B. 170 will be class B. So 16. Uh, so 1. 2.
Okay. Number of valid host. Venkat.
2 4 32.
Valid host or network.
126.
Asking about valid host per network. Subhajit.
Yeah, it's like
Subhajit.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What will be the number of valid hosts per
It's
network?
2 to the power 15 minus 2.
Venkat, why are you confusing? I've already told the formula 32 minus the given CIDR value.
Yeah, but I said 126. That will be correct, right? Here
No,
black says minus 2. It is
no,
126.
no, no, that is not the valid. That is not valid.
Okay.
This one is valid. Block size is totally different thing. So what will be the first IP? 172.16.0.0. So we will have to perform the changes in which block? This block only, because 17 comes under which block?
Third block.
Third block. So the next IP will be 172.16.0.1. So the next IP will be 172.16.0.2. Next IP will be 172.16.0.3. So you will write dot 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 172.16 dot 0 dot 255. Once you will reach to 255, then you will move to 172.16.1.0. Okay. Similarly, you will have to reach 172.16.1.255. After that, you will, once you will reach to this 255, the maximum octet value of the fourth, then you make the changes in the third octet, 172.16.2.0, and will up to the 172.16.2.255. So here the block size is 128. So the last IP address of this octet will be 172.16.128.255. 127, sorry, 127.255.
120, 127.
Yes, 127. Sorry. Is it clear for everyone?
Sir, can you repeat it once again, please?
Yeah. So block size means we have to check. You are directly calculating the number of hosts from here 128 minus 2. This is not correct. This is not correct. This is the correct formula. Number of valid hosts per network 2 to the power 32 minus the CIDR value given in the question.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. Minus 2. Okay. So first of all, 172.16.0.0 will be the network ID of this block. Okay. And the
Okay, sir.
second IP address will be 172.16.0.1. And we will reach up to the 172.16.0.255. Okay. Once this octet
Yeah.
will complete, we will increase in the third octet. We will make an increment in the third octet. So once we will increase the third octet, the value will reach by 0, here 0. So we will start to from 1 to 0 to 1 to 255. Okay. Similarly, we will after that make 172.16.2.0 to 255. So from 20 to 255. Here how many IP addresses total? 256. Here how many IP addresses? 256. So you will have to add 256 IP addresses. How many times? 128 times. and the value will be equal to 2 to the power 15. Is it clear for everyone?
Um, Either I have a question.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Ask.
In the block size, sorry, if you see in the subnet mask, you said 255.255. So we made the changes, right? We turn on the bit on the in the third octet, right?
Third octet.
So how we are calculating this? It shouldn't we should we not calculate from the third bit like 170.16.1.0?
No, no, it will start from 0.0 because we
Yeah,
have we have to make two networks. Two network. So first network will start from the third octet in from 0.
yeah.
It's start from 0.0 to 127.255. It will be a single network, and this one will be the network ID of this network, and it will be the broadcast ID. And these all IP addresses are the valid IP addresses. Are you getting my point? Is it clear for everyone?
Sir, one more time. My question is,
Yeah, ask.
sir, here many network and many broadcasts is there.
No, no, no many
For
broadcasters.
each business, there is one network, there
No,
is one
no,
broadcast.
this entire IP addresses will come under the one network because we can make only two network here. It will start from 0.0 to 127.255. It's all in the same network. These all IP
Okay, okay.
addresses are in the same
Yes,
network.
because the number of network is two,
Yeah.
so we can only make two network here.
So the next network will start from the 172.16.128.0, and then it will 172.16.128.1 to 172.16.128.255. Okay, then the next IP address will be 172.16. Here we will increase. We will make an increment in this third octet because we cannot increase the value from 255 in the last octet. The maximum value of an octet will be only 255. So we will make an increment here, what, to 129.0, and then it will reach up to 172.16.129.255. And now this octet has been completed, so the next increment will be in the third octet, 172.16.129 130.0. It will reach up to 172.16.130.255, and the last one will be 172.16.255.255. So first network started from 0 to 127, and block size is 128. 128 is the block size. So 0 to 27, 127, how many numbers totals? 128 numbers. And here we are starting from 128 to 255. How many numbers? 128. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? Class B and class A subnetting is not easy as compared to class C. I know it. Anyone who has the doubt?